You better shut up when I'm talking, okay? Hello, listen.
Ghanaian leader, Flight Lieutenant JJ Rawlings.
All planters, do you have corn? I'm talking about planters, not diggers. Let me see you by the hand. Up. Good. Now, those of you who have the corn sacks, go and supply. But you've got corn in your left hand. Jesus Christ. Okay. Now, those of you with the sacks, better watch out and feed us, okay? Now, where is he? You take over.
Under Rawlings, Ghana has rediscovered a sense of direction. He is pursuing a policy of socialism, but the slogans are often more militant than the practice.
And the line is not straight. Move.
The country does need strong leadership. One urgent goal is to re-establish respect for farming. Another is to improve efficiency on the land.
The point is, as they dig the holes, you, the planters, put the seeds in their holes. All right? Every digger, make sure you've got a plant.
Rawlings' high-profile politics include setting a public example in the fields and encouraging the masses to cooperate in self-help.
It is only by collective effort that the nation's problems can be solved. There are still some people who would like the nation to go back to childhood. Such a person was the man from the Osu People's Defense Committee, most unfortunate, who got up to speak at the budget debate at Parliament House recently, and who said that everything was fine when the white man was here. And so we should bring him back to help us. This man, and others who think like him, longs for the dependency of childhood. But we are grown up, or should be. We are supposed to be old enough to realize that the nation is now paying the rest of the outstanding bill for those easier days, when so many of our resources were squandered.
Although Rawlings is a military man, he is more concerned with mobilizing for development than for war. His concept of economic conscription is an attempt to enlist more and more citizens into the process of production and social transformation. But Ghana's economy is fragile. The IMF has helped with loans, but ordinary workers still haven't seen much benefit. Political stability remains elusive, and Rawlings' own position is far from secure. To safeguard both his and the country's future, the Rawlings rhetoric now speaks of mobilizing both hoe and gun.
The right to defend your freedom is a must.
Sure.
And the means of having to do so is something you will have to acquire. Oh no. It's a long way off. We've lost a lot of time in having to democratize violence. She means only being over you here later. Oh no. Okay. Right from America to China to Russia. I mean, more like 10-year-old children can you be? It's the democratization of violence. Oh no. Whoever took control of the bullets, guns, was obviously going to dominate you. And that's the way it's been. That's the way it is in the third world.
The military's monopoly of the gun must be broken if the people are to prevail. Ironically, many Americans would agree with Radical Rawlings that the people have a democratic right to bear arms. Whether that results in stability is another question.
The right to defend, your freedom. To enable Koni soldier,
to get used to the idea. Okay, that civilian also has the right, to hold a weapon. First, you have to inculcate the idea into his head. And it's not an easy thing to do.